I have a very small, regular closet, not a walk-in. Space is at a premium. My closet is pretty much packed full. I am tall. I have no issue reaching up to this shelf. My sweats, my yoga pants, some of my under warm tops. And then up at the very top is where I keep a lot of my long sleeve t-shirts and all of my sweatshirts. So even though I'm tall, if I start pulling things out like this, an avalanche will occur. This little bench came at the most perfect time. It was exactly what I needed. It was amazing timing. So it fits right in that space. It's just solid. You don't have to open it up. It just stays like that. Mine's at the lowest. You could raise it even higher. So now I reach up, can't reach, but now I just step on my little stool. I can reach whatever I need to reach. It's absolutely perfect. It's compact and simple, just like my closet. Nothing to open up. I just leave it there all the time. Close the closet back up. It's always there when I need it.
Okay, this is how it arrived. The legs, they expand. You just push these buttons and they come up and lock in. It's pretty easy. Did it all one-handed. Push these buttons and they'll go up and down. You need two hands for that, but it's pretty good. That's the lowest setting. Seems pretty sturdy. Jump on it. He weighs about 45 pounds, so it's pretty sturdy.
This is it all folded up. This is how you receive it. Easy peasy. To do it, to extend it, you'll see the buttons on the sides. See, such as right here. You push in. And you lift up. And it locks it in place. And to make it taller, you push the buttons in. See the buttons here on the side. There's one on each side. And there you go. To make it shorter again, or to put it away, you just push the buttons.
This is a 3-step folding ladder by Double Elite. It says it holds up to 330 pounds. Well built, easy to use, very thin, so easy to store. And that's what it looks like when it's open.